Hello everyone, Rebecca here with another monstery arty idea for you. And as always, it's going to be made by recycling and reusing some old bits and pieces that you'll have lying around at home. There's one other thing we'll need. Our good friend Murphy.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a tall dog. As well as this long box, we'll need another box, stickers, colourful card and paint. Let's make the dog's body first.
That's a great place to start.
Take the long box and stick the smaller box to the top of it. Now we can start painting the boxes. You can paint yours any colour you like.
I love painting. Painty, painty, monster painty.
Nice painting, Murphy.
Hey! Thanks. Now we can leave it to dry.
In the meantime, on a sheet of blue card, draw 2 ear shapes. A tail, an oval for a tummy, a nose, and some spots. On a piece of pink card, draw a tongue like this. Murphy, can we have some monster magic, please?
You know it.
Amazing! But remember, be careful with scissors and ask a grown-up if you need help.
Is it sticky, sticky glue time?
It sure is. Stick the ears to the back of the head.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky.
Add the nose shape. The tongue. The belly. Tail. Add stickers for eyes. And a little pink nose. And finally, draw on some details. There we have it, a tall dog, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!